everyone, welcome to my new another video. So my friend, in today's video I am going to show you some activity. I am going to do this activity, and while doing it I will show you as well as explain in English, so that you can also learn how you can explain this work in English whenever you will go for doing it. So my friend, before wasting time, let's start the video. So see, I have come on my roof, you can see, and we have sprayed it here wheat. Why? Because the what is called flour, or yeah, flour atta. I think pronunciation related problem I have, so if I make mistake, so just correct me. So we use that flour, not packed flour, we don't use, no. We grow wheat and then wash sprayed in this way on roof, dry this wheat, and after that we send it in mill, that is called in Hindi chakki. Okay, aate ki chakki. And then it get it like grind, and then we use for chapati. So my friend, I have come here for collecting it. You can see it's in large amount, you can see. So first we use our hand, this hand. First we use this our hand to collect it in this way, in this way. I'm unable to show you, but little bit it it is in this way. We collect first, and then we use broom, clean broom we use. And then whatever the part it's getting remain after collecting with hand, then we collect with broom. So my friend, let me do it first. I'm doing it, you can see. Then my friend, we use this clean broom. This is clean broom. We only keep it for collecting weight, not for doing other work. For sweeping other side, we keep another broom. This is only for especially collecting weight. So in this way I have collected, and whatever remain after collecting with hand, I will do with this broom. See, in this way my friend, we collect. So now let me complete this whole work. After that I will meet with you and tell you next things. After collecting all the wheat, I made in three parts. I collected three places, you can see. In three places I have collected it. Then time came to fill this wheat inside the sack, which I am doing. I am filling, keeping this wheat inside the sack. You can see with my hand I'm filling, I'm keeping inside the sack. And while doing this, I found some leaf. So that one I took out from this wheat. It's important to took out if we get some. In this way my friend, I filled this wheat in two sack, you can see. My friend, today I tried something different. It's very important because we face problem when I was beginner. So I was also facing problem to describe such activity. Whenever I had to tell to my friend, to anyone whom I was talking in English. So now I'm good at it. So really I should make video, such video, so that whosoever are learning, and in beginning June they don't know how to explain such things in English, so it will be helpful for them. And before making this video, I was thinking a lot, should I or not. Then finally I thought, see, I create video, I share to people tips and technique, and I want to help them, my friends, how they can learn and explain the real life activities in English. So those things I kept in my mind and then created this video. Yes, in another angle way, I was thinking, something different. Then I thought, no, I'm creating video for helping, for sharing, and also boost my confidence, my English, my knowledge. So I should do it, not think about the people what they are going to tell. You know what I was thinking? Honestly, I'm telling you that if I make such video, so maybe somebody can say that what you are doing, you are showing your activities and what do you want to tell. But my main thing is that I want to explain it English. Now I also want to explain the work which I'm doing, and which I will do, which I do. I want to explain in English. I want to make video, such video, so that whosoever is learning this language and they don't have any guidance and all like me, so they can learn. They can learn through my video how they can explain, because we learn how to introduce and do the common conversation, we learn. But when it comes to explaining the things, we get stuck. So in this way, if I create video, so it is going to help learners, my friends, whosoever are learning and you know uh, and not good at it. Okay, so they can learn these things, as well as I will also work on my English. My English will grow, my confidence, my knowledge, everything. So all, you and I, we all, grow together and learn together and improve together. My friend, while making this vlog, I have made mistake. Like I used was. I think on that place I had to use clean. So 2 3 mistake I have done in this video, and I realized I got to know. So I want to tell you, yeah, little I'm feeling bad for it because it's been long and I made mistake. But I want to tell you that you know mistake, it happens. Okay, so don't worry and don't hold yourself just because that you don't have to make mistake. While doing the things, we make mistake, not deliberately, but it happens in flow. So I also made mistake while creating this video. I observed, I realized also, like I used remain, but I think left word was suitable. 2 3 word I used, and I should not have used something solid. I should have used, but this mistake I did. So um, maybe I can say that I did because little bit insidely I was in still nervous, and I have to do this fast. In this way, I did some mistake. So it's okay, but I think I will do second part, so not you know repeat this mistake.